If you're looking to supercharge your software development workflow, integrating Jira software with GitHub is a fantastic way to do just that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a seamless connection between Jira Cloud and your GitHub repositories. This integration gives developers and project managers a real edge, making it easier to track issues, link code changes right to tasks, and keep everyone on the same page. Let's dive right into how to get this set up step by step. First things first, before we start clicking around, you'll need a couple of prerequisites in place. Make sure you have administrator permissions in both Jira software and the GitHub organization you plan to connect. You can think of these permissions like having the keys to both houses, Jira and GitHub. Without those, some doors won't open and you might get stuck midway. Also, take a moment to log into both your Jira and GitHub accounts up front. Having everything authenticated and ready will save you from frustrating login loops later on. Now, we're ready to get to the actual integration process with Jira Cloud. The first step is to install the GitHub for Atlassian app within Jira. Inside your Jira dashboard, look for something called the Explore More Apps section. It's like browsing for apps on your mobile phone, only here, you're searching for ways to power up Jira. Type in GitHub for Atlassian, and it should pop right up. Click on it, and start the installation. Don't worry if this takes a few moments. Sometimes the setup wizard needs to fetch data and permissions. Once the app is installed, the next part is to connect your GitHub organization. This step is important because it's where you actually link the two platforms. You'll be prompted to select your organization, the one where all your repos live. If you're managing a lot of projects or repositories, Jira will ask if you want to give the app access to all repositories or just select ones. Think about whether you want to integrate everything at once or keep things compartmentalized by picking certain repos. This decision is about how much information and control you want flowing between the platforms. If you're not the owner of the GitHub organization, you might need to send an approval request to whoever is. Don't worry if you hit this step and need to pause. Just give your organization's admin a heads up. It's a normal part of the approval workflow. After you've connected your GitHub organization, it's time to verify the connection inside Jira. You can do this by navigating to Manage Your Apps. Here, you're going to check that your GitHub organization is listed under the GitHub for Atlassian app. This verification acts like a receipt, confirming that everything's linked up correctly. If you don't see your organization right away, try refreshing the page or wait a few seconds. Sometimes it needs a bit of time to synchronize. If you see your organization listed, congratulations. The integration is set up, and that's it. You've successfully connected Jira Software Cloud to GitHub. This integration is a real game changer for development teams trying to track code, issues, and deployments all in one hub. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more developer-friendly guides. Got questions or hit a roadblock? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.